Nej.
Och torsdag.
Oh, Carl, this guy who's building the base looking at us.
Yeah, that's not very good.
You just started, man.
Just wave at him. Tugboat's putting up. No, I don't know.
Yes, yes.
Wait, I have torpedoes.
No, we're not. It's that group's tugboat. We would get slammed. Wait, they might be coming here.
I'm doing it.
We need to get those turrets set up.
I'm sinking them.
No,
I don't care.
that's. It's gonna. We're raided instantly.
Take the loot and run to fishing village, boys, cause I'm doing it.
Oh my god.
Really shouldn't. Let's think about this.
Think about Okay, we got enough, let's raid them. Looked at us.
Okay, Carl, hear me out. I have a plan. Okay? So, what? Fucking stupid. Okay, we get those two externals up on each side, right?
Uh-huh.
We skip maybe making a bunker piece. So it's just like a normal external, people won't really keep mind, and then we have a turret behind the door, we can open them. We can bait them to come raid, so we sink it after we make it. Because you know it's gonna get us slammed in our little 2x. They're pushing over right now, north.
Oh my god. No way.
Wait,
Way.
he's here, Carl. One is head. He's one. One dead.
He's definitely dead now.
Oh,
There's
there
two
is
more.
one.
Yeah.
I'm dying
Yeah.
inside the base. But it's open.
All open or only one?
All open. I close.
Oh, fuck. Carl, this isn't good. Hey, what
No.
are you doing here?
Going to hell.
Oh my.
Wait. Wait, ready? You boost me here. I can pick up and I peek and push out again.
Good Nick.
Yes.
Headshot. I think I downed him.
God, there's a lot.
I'm gonna build a stone wall. Where's the hammer?
Barricades.
Oh shit, it's two.
Yeah, are you dead?
Two more, yeah.
Close door.
Do. I can place the twigs in front of them. If you need.
You ready, folks?
No, down.
4 hits on roof.
One drop down. Two on roof now.
My god, there was one right there.
There are two now. Three. Yeah. There are still two.
Nice. I might be able to loot him.
I did you.
I have 2 bags. I have 2 bags.
What the hell, Carl? How you stole the bag?
I am tempted to push out. I don't know if that, but I feel like they want this. Oh yeah, watch out if they
They
rocket
have
from.
twigs all around the second floor. It's all
can't get
with
out now.
twigs.
Maybe we should pick up that door.
Yeah.
And pick up the door. It's all around the twigs. He should be only above us, on the twigs, on the twig. Because I placed the twig on the roof, on the edge of the roof.
I think we should push out.
Yeah. Okay. Seems like they pushed up now.
He should be up to the left.
This.
You can add a furnace or something, so you get some cover in the front.
Hey, yo, man, I'm sorry for sinking the tugboat, man. Oh, I upgraded!
You did?
You do it!
Can we see
No
this
way.
guard?
You're gonna destroy
Wait,
this
they're
one
gonna-
in front of.
Yeah,
Under you.
wait. Yeah, move. Can we get a door on?
They're gonna rocket inside.
Yeah, I know. We're all gonna get fucked up by the rockets.
Yeah, we need to... You need to open that and close this. Get on the furnace.
Get in the room. Can we get in the other room?
Yeah, yeah.
Upgrade the wall. Upgrade the
I
wall.
did, I did.
On the right.
It's metal.
On the. There's no on the right.
I don't have
I have
frames.
metal. I have metal.
I have metal, but it's damaged.
Unlucky.
Here, more metal.
It's up. It's damaged. Gordon, it's too late. Cause that's cheaper. For
Just
them
spam
to
it,
go
just
for.
spam it.
Yeah, they might not think about it.
No way, I got it
Wait, we can
split
rotate the nade if we have any GP. That might actually kill a few. What
Yeah.
if we rotate and then push out? Cause that
Yeah,
turret
yeah,
is gonna
I think we push out, yeah, yeah. For sure.
Here, do you wanna do it? You ready, Carl?
Doing it.
We're waiting for you.
Hit marker.
Kill two. Put
I'm
out. Oh, that's you, Ryan. On top, on top. Dead. Did we
GG.
just kill them all?
Yep.
Nice.
They don't have a tugboat or kids
This is,
anymore.
but this is actually entertaining to watch. Oh, yeah.
Good shit, boys. They're gonna come back. Though.
I
see them
joined in
coming from
the
base.
right
Seal. Everyone should have Silmar.
Is it nice?
I'm gonna fight.
I have some stone. I can see loot still. Can you pick that door up?
Yep.
Let's get kits inside. There's gonna be waves of this. The AK is coming now. Let's maybe go out. I have a nade as well.
Did we loot everything?
I think so, right? We looted the hazmats, I hope.
Yeah, we should probably expand.
We have no mats to expand with.
Yeah, good
Yeah.
point.
We can
But they don't have a tugboat anymore.
I mean, be careful though, you don't wanna take damage.
They try to max boost. They're not pushing yet. They are not on the water.
I honeycombed easy room, guys.
I'm going to get some stone.
We might be able to raid the tugboat. It's got wood doors on it in fishing village right now.
Wait, I can exploit from base probably. We
Yeah.
have 16 explo.
If we take tugboat, we can leave. That would be kind of fun though. Move into the tugboat and not give a fuck about the base.
It's not a bad idea. I'm gonna try to explorate it. What's the
You
lead
can go
on?
closer. You can go a lot closer if you want.
Oh yeah, true.
Someone should go there though with low grade, so they're ready to get in it and drive away.
I'm trying to farm the stone, man.
Max, can you go out with some low grade to cart?
It probably has low grade, no?
Yeah, maybe, but it's.
I won't get shot here, right?
I think not.
If you get lucky. They are TC by the big base CC.
Door is gone, door is gone.
Drive it to
He's
her.
good.
Clear TC as well. Hi, Carl. What did you say,
You know.
sorry? Okay, Max, can you check if the back door is also wood? I hope it is.
You had a C4
No,
otherwise.
it's oh yeah, wait, it's so true. We have C4. Oh my god. Okay, Carl, get the back shot and we raid the other door and we leave. Make a new base over in the snow somewhere. Maybe.
We need boxes.
They're pushing where?
Oh,
Oh god.
get the doors on. Move start.
Emil avvakta innan vi skjuter.
That's not very good. I'm full of loot.
Yeah, honest.
I'm two. Are you
Are
on
you
boat?
Parkman is dead.
I don't see him.
He take it once.
That AK that.
Nice.
It was headdress,
By
right?
the wall, by the wall.
Yeah, yeah,
Three,
More people,
330.
More?
Yeah, there's
Where?
more. There's, at the walls. At the high wall. One of the high walls. There.
Ninja suit.
I'm pushing the loot AK.
I can kill. Ninjas without.
Okay, nice.
I have AK.
Is there more?
Yeah.
He's
dead. I whiffed, but I killed him.
I hit him too. Or, oh. It's not, did you drop
We
it?
came to
maybe?
roof campus.
I'm gonna go loot the Tommy guy.
I loot the first Tommy guy that we killed.
Can you imagine how frustrating this must be?
About the roof campus non-stop.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
moving. So it's
my frames are bad. But my mood is good.
very good.
Why is key lock on our tugboat?
Yeah, that's so dumb.
We don't have metal.
Pick up a lock.
Ah.
I don't care.
Okay.
Yeah, actually,
Just
yeah,
pick up TC or something.
to my. Oh wait, I need diving kit if I'm gonna.
I can't get in captain either. Oh, never mind.
My frame.
Other side was open.
Yeah, there's a bug right now with the tugboat sector. That's so they're extra laggy.
What?
Oh!
I see. One dead. One not dead. It's 1 HP. I'm inside the base.
I'm dead.
I'm inside the base. I'm 1 HP. I'm wounded.
Yeah, I'm swimming as well. I don't have a diving kit. Are they on the tug? Oh my god, no.
They're on
Yeah.
the tug.
Yes.
No,
Yeah.
I don't.
How?
How?
Nobody put a door on captains. You only put one door, Max. They're driving it to their base. This is so fucked up.
Oh, they must be so frustrated right now.
This is funny though. How the fuck did we let that happen? No way.
Hey, Carl, you have another tugboat to blow.
Yeah.
We need to go there with
Yeah,
like
they
diving.
probably
I
cheated.
have-
That was it.
I have captain door.
I'm here. I'm on the sunken tug right now.
Okay, watch out. Carl, don't peek it.
Close. Yeah, I'm not picking it.
I headshot the captain.
I don't have flashlight. Is he behind or inside?
Behind the tug.
Is that-
On the normal tug.
Is that?
He's dead.
Is that? Yeah, he's dead. You could go and leave with it. I think he's.
Yeah, I'm
was
doing it.
alone. Go get it back.
Drive it back!
Maybe in the surface. Maybe we should push it. No?
Bring it on home,
The
zombie.
fight of the tugboat.
Bring it on home. You don't need to loot him. You can just leave if you.
Oh! I'm in. No, he took the logger out.
It's turret?
I have the logger.
You're pushing
Bring
out.
it on home. Zombie.
No! Oh!
Go.
Come on, Carl.
Watch out so they don't shoot you through the open one.
No, I'm turning it away from them.
The fucking roller coaster of emotions I've had.
This is so fucked up.
Wait, so
I'm
they never
10-0.
got the loot?
No,
Never
we
got
got it. We got it back.
I'm clearing it. We got it back,
let's-
boys.
Get new doors on and leave.
Yeah. I'm holding it.
Okay, try it, but
This is so fucked up. Yeah,
Fuck, I
yeah.
can't
Bring
see.
me a door. I'm not leaving this fucking.
he's inside the tugboat, guys. What the hell?
Where?
He's
Inside? In the bottom?
inside, in the bottom, yes. He was all the way in corner. He's loot my body. He has full metal set.
It's closed. We need to open and kill him though.
Yes, it's closed.
I don't have the door. Wait. I don't have a flashlight card. Do you have an extra one?
Yeah, here. On the gun.
Ready?
Yep. I can't see him. He's done.
I didn't want to
Nice.
push in and get killed by you.
I
How the
didn't
fuck
see
did
him.
it-
I
does-
just
did
blind
he have a
sprayed.
fla-
No, close the door, guys. Please. I don't know how you do.
It's so much. What do you mean how?
Now we can make a door.
What the fuck is going on?
I'm making a door, yeah.
How he's inside?
I don't know how he got inside. What the hell? Oh, it was probably the guy we stole it from. He had a bag in there or something.
Did we not break his
Oh,
bag?
Yeah.
No.
Nice.
Which
Oh
one's his bag? Is
We're so fucking bad at this
this
game.
one, right?
We're so shit.
It's this one, right? Or he spawned!
No way.
Guys,
This is so
What
fucked.
the fuck is going on?
I don't see anybody.
Why?
I'm gonna loot.
I'm gonna drive into safe zone.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Did we
I'm
get-
so sorry, guys.
No, it's not your fault.
This guy?
It's fine.
This guy?
You made it more fun this way.
No. Did we get everything into the boat now? The turret and
Yeah,
everything?
yeah, we have everything.
So let's go. Let's not do.
Holy shit, dude. How did we manage
See
that?
bodies piling up in the.
Okay, can we wait? Outpost is where? Oh, it's in the middle.
Yeah, we're not even
I thought you guys were
remotely
fucked.
safe right now.
No, we definitely are not.
Okay,
Get to the sunset.
we're going on an adventure.
I see them, by the way. They're running around on their sunken tugboat.
They don't have a tugboat anymore, guys. This isn't exactly how I envisioned what would happen, but it worked out.
Okay, everyone, did you get a bag?